You're relaxing at home with your furry friends, enjoying the comfort of your air-conditioned sanctuary. But have you ever wondered what's lurking in the air you breathe? As pet owners, we love our adorable companions, but their fur and dander can impact indoor air quality more than we realize. Don't worry though, I've got great news for you. In today's video, we'll explore how Anthem can be your compass to a cleaner and healthier home environment for both you and your beloved pets. So let's dive in. When you share your home with pets, maintaining a clean and healthy indoor environment becomes crucial, and a key component of achieving this is ensuring that your air conditioning system delivers fresh, clean air back into your living space. So how does an HVAC filter work? Well, it's simple yet essential. An efficient HVAC unit performs better when equipped with a quality AC filter. This device acts as a gatekeeper for your heating and cooling system, filtering out airborne particles before they circulate through the ductwork. Dust mites, pet dander, pollen grains, and other allergens are trapped by these filters, allowing only conditioned air to flow freely. But here's the catch. Even high-quality pleated air filters can become clogged over time due to the accumulation of particulates. This strain on your HVAC system can lead to decreased efficiency and compromised indoor air quality. Frequent filter replacement or cleaning ensures that your unit runs efficiently and maintains high indoor air quality, something every pet owner should prioritize. Plus, studies have shown that frequent replacements reduce energy consumption, leading to lower utility bills. The frequency of changing AC filters varies depending on factors like the type and size of your pets, the number of occupants in your household, and how often windows are opened. As a general rule, experts recommend monthly changes, especially during peak usage seasons like summer and winter. Now that we know the importance of air filters, let's unravel the mystery behind MERV ratings and their impact on indoor air quality. MERV, short for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value, is a standard that rates the overall effectiveness of air filters. A higher MERV rating means finer filtration, allowing fewer dust particles and airborne contaminants to pass through. Air conditioner manufacturers use these ratings to determine how well their products improve indoor air quality while ensuring your HVAC system operates efficiently. You might have noticed numbers ranging from 1 to 20 on your AC filter packaging. Those are its MERV ratings. Let's break it down. Filters with a MERV rating of 1 are the lowest quality and are typically found in residential settings, but they won't do much to improve your indoor air quality. For better protection against smaller particulates like mold spores and dust, opt for filters with ratings between 7 and 13. These are suitable for most households, especially those with pets, as they help keep indoor environments free from common allergens. If anyone in your household suffers from respiratory issues or allergies, consider using filters with ratings between 14 and 16. These offer superior performance akin to filters used in hospital operating rooms. However, keep in mind that these high-rated filters may require more frequent replacements due to faster pollutant buildup. And remember, always ensure you choose the correct size compatible with your existing HVAC equipment to optimize its performance. To further reduce pet hair buildup and maintain a cleaner HVAC system, here are some practical tips. Vacuum carpets weekly. Using HEPA vacuum cleaners, groom your pets regularly outdoors, cover furniture with protective covers, and make use of room purifiers. These small steps can make a big difference in the quality of your indoor air. As a pet owner, selecting a high-quality air filter that effectively traps pet dander and fur is essential. So let's dive into the different options available. First up, we have disposable filters. These pleated paper or polyester filters are common choices among homeowners due to their affordability and ease of replacement. Pleated models perform better than lower quality fiberglass filters thanks to their larger surface area for trapping particles. However, remember that frequent replacements are needed, especially if you have pets at home, which may lead to higher maintenance costs. Next, we have HEPA filters. These filters capture tiny airborne contaminants down to 0.03 microns in size, ensuring the cleanest air possible in your home. They are worth the upfront cost, especially if you or your family members have respiratory issues or allergies. Last, there are electronic air filters. These innovative filters use electrostatic attraction to draw pollutants toward themselves, ensuring a fresh and breathable indoor environment. While they provide excellent filtration, they require professional installation and periodic washing to maintain optimal performance. So there you have it. You've learned the importance of AC filters in pet-friendly homes and their role in maintaining a clean and healthy indoor environment. If all this seems overwhelming, don't fret. At Anthem, we are experts in HVAC repair and maintenance. We can guide you through choosing the best filter option for your home, based on MERV ratings, and help ensure optimal indoor air quality despite having pets around. Contact Anthem today at 760-895-2621 if you're in Coachella Valley, or 951-389-5151 if you live in Inland Empire. Like and subscribe for more valuable content, and I'll see you in the next video.